my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. Let's look at the search results. Quite often people will ask, how do we remove the favourite icon? Let me just show you where that's placed in the back end. First of all, we'll go to Settings and Design Settings. Then, under our button colours, if we go down here, we can see that the favourite icon is just here, and we can select from the list that's available. We can also choose colours that we want to use for enable or disable. But what if we don't want it to appear at all? Let's go to our finance and membership plans. So they're all here. So what we can do is we can click on Edit. We can go to post publishing and we can turn off the favourite just like that. However, this option might still be available to other members. So you do need to go into each membership plan if you don't want the function to be on the site at all. And you need to edit each membership plan and go to the same place and make sure that you turn the function off. Otherwise, the function will still exist because somebody on the site is able to select their favourites. So just make sure that you do that for each membership plan. So edit this one, post publishing, untick, save. Now we'll go to our main search results, refresh the page, and it's still showing. So we're going to go back to membership plans. I'm going to go to the general user, post publishing, and you see the favorites is activated for that as well. So when we refresh the page again, we can see that it's disappeared. So because it was still activated for one of the accounts, that being the general user account, we need to make sure we deactivate it for all the accounts to ensure the favorite button does not appear on the listings. So that's how you deactivate the favorite button from appearing on the member search results. I hope you found that useful and thanks for watching.